So this video is how to set up your VPN. So know that we have two type of tool that we use: Mysterium VPN and Proxy. This is the Mysterium VPN, this app. So after getting the VPN, this is how the VPN is. After downloading the VPN on Play Store, they are going to teach you on how to log into the VPN. It's not free, oh, please pay. You pay for the VPN. You can see this is 5,000 naira every month, but a month should be around 17,000. But you pair with people, you guys are going to pay 5,000. So the person that is going to pair you guys will explain that one to you. So the first thing you do, you select the country you want to work with. Like now, you see America. This is United States of America. But me, I would like to use UK for this video. For this video, I like to use UK. See, this is UK, United Kingdom. You select the city that you want to use on UK. Let's say I would like to use London in this UK. I'll scroll down until I see London. Until I see London. This is London. I'll connect to London. So I'll connect to London. This is London now. The next thing you do after connecting, you come here. This setting icon here. You see this place, refresh IP address is going to be off. This one must be off. Why these two will be on? These two can be on. So down here, you're going to see when your VPN is going to expire in case you pay for more. This is where my own is going to expire. As you can see, this is where you see where the VPN will expire. So once you expire, you get ready to renew it. So after that, the next thing I want you to do now is to come to your phone setting. You go to your phone setting, you click this, you click sorry. This is connection, more connection. You click on it on your phone setting, you choose VPN. Like me now, you see VPN. I'll come to this VPN. In case you have other VPN on your phone, they are going to show your VPN. But Mysterium VPN, you can see that it's connected. I'll click on this setting icon here. I will turn this on. Always on VPN. Always on VPN. I'll turn it on. Block connection without VPN. I'll turn it on. So I'm going to explain more about this block connection without VPN. What this does is that in case you are doing something, you are using your VPN, and by mistake, let's go back. Like now, this is the VPN. By mistake, the VPN off like this. The VPN is not connected, and now I want to try to access. Let me clean this. Let me just wipe. Now I'm trying to access Facebook, and my data is on. You can see my data is on. I'm trying to access Facebook. There is no way Facebook is going to open. It will show offline until I come back here. I come back here and on it. I on it. Once I on it like this, I'll go back to Facebook. It will show that I'm online. I hope you get the point. My data was on, but my this thing refused to work because of that block. This thing. I hope you get the point. So I hope you get the point. So the next thing I want to show you guys in this video is this. I will click on this setting icon again. With this setting icon, you scroll down to where you see your phone system. You click on it. You see this date and time. You click on it. You make sure that all these are off. Use K default is off. Use 24 hours format is off. Set time zone automatically is off. You come here, select the time zone. This is where you click. You click here. This is where you can change your country time on your phone. So what we are going to look for, we are going to look for London, since we are using UK IP address or UK VPN. So you scroll. I think London is close to Lagos, but let's just find it. Yeah. Okay, look at it. This is London. So I'll click on London. Once you click on London, automatically the time will change. In Nigeria time, this is 6 something, but London time is 5 something. In case you are using another country, let's assume that you are using UK on this thing, you want to work with USA survey and you want to change your time zone. Once you connect to your VPN, you come to your browser. Please use Chrome while doing your research. You come to your browser like this. You type, what is my time zone? What is my time zone? So you search for it on Google. Please, while doing this, make sure that your VPN is on. Like as you can see, because I'm connected to London, it's showing that this time zone is London. You can see. So and today is Thursday, 1st of January. So once you are using any country, just connect to the country you are using. Search for what is your time zone on Google Play Store. But sorry, on Chrome. So they'll show you your time zone. So once you see your time zone, you go to that time on your phone setting. You go and find the time zone they show you here, and make the time zone your primary time zone. I hope you get it. So the next video will be on proxy.